Hello, I am the Pen Man, and today we're going to be talking about my main pen, the Summer Village stylus pen, with approximately 36 dots at the front and a silver tip and a clip cocking method. Yeah, I like it, but yeah, it's one of my favorite pens, but let's get to work. We'll always start with the tip. Take out the spring and the ink compartment. Then we're going to do the back. Take this little part off right here. Then take off the fingerprint grip. Then what we're going to, for this next part, you're going to need another pen. I'll give you a couple seconds to find one. Pause it if you need to. You know, I'm thinking about doing this next one in our next video. All right, let's get to work. So make sure you click the pen on and see the slit. You're gonna put a pen in there. Then you're gonna push the black part out. Then you're gonna take this clip part off, same with the spring. Then you'll have a nearly empty pen. So if you put it like this, upside down, then you'll see there's that little white thing. We have to use this, the back of this, to push that out along with a coil. Make sure that it doesn't go wild. So, there you have it. That is all the pieces of the Summer Village stylus pen right there. Wow. You aren't going to need this pen, so just... Ah. Whoa. Stay with me, peeps. All right, so see this little cone-ish end of this? Yeah. You're going to take that and see that rigid end? You're going to put the rigid end with the rigid end. Then, see the cone part? You're going to put it like that, up against the coil. But instead, you can do something else too. You're going to take the dot side, which is the front. You're going to just drop it down the back with the cone side facing the front. Now you're going to put the coil in. And actually, you will need the pen. So if you did actually throw it to the side, pick it back up and push it down. Using the tip, push the coil back. And as you can see, it should be like that. All right, now actually we won't need the pen. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this bigger coil or spring, you can call it whatever you want, but it's a little bit bigger than this one. You're gonna take the clip, see that slit right there? See that little circle in the middle? You're gonna align that with the center of the spring and put the clip area actually in the slit. Now you're gonna take the black part, put it on and align the slits. Then push it down until you hear a click. Now that that's done, we can do this part. Oh, don't run away. Now that our little spring is on the tip, you can put it in there and bam. Now let's put the tip back on. Bam. And ta-da. That is how you properly take apart and put back together a Summer Village stylus pen with approximately 36 dots on the front. Peace out. Thank you all. Oh, and Merry Christmas.